The purpose of this video is to quickly introduce the Surveyor to a new generation cable transit device, the EZPath Marine Cable Transit. Because it looks different from conventional cable transits, surveyors may question whether the device satisfies IMO FTP requirements. The granddaddy of all cable transit products is the multi-cable transit, which consists of a metal frame, rubber sealing blocks, and wedging plates to set the blocks into compression. It was invented in the 1950s and became a very typical method of sealing cable penetrations in fire-rated bulkheads and decks. Liquid-applied sealant systems with filler materials such as rubber sleeves or insulation materials are also extensively used for sealing cable penetrations. EZPath cable transits are a relatively new approach to sealing cable penetrations in fire-rated bulkheads and decks. Their versatility and convenience is increasing the popularity for applications either above the waterline or in non-watertight divisions. Why are EZPath cable transits changing the game? They provide maintenance-free cable sealing. They allow for cable moves, additions, or changes without requiring the transit frame packing to be removed and replaced. They provide shipyards with the best installed cost for cable transits. EZPath cable transits are fully tested according to the IMO FTP for use as a cable transit device in both fire-rated bulkheads and decks. Fire ratings are available up to A60 and H120. EZPath cable transits are subject to type approvals from ABS, DNV, GL, BV, and more. They also comply with U.S. Coast Guard and MED requirements and bear the wheel mark. EZPath cable transits consist of a raceway-type housing that incorporates fire-retardant foam pads that are intumescent, meaning they will expand with the heat of a fire to form an insulative char to seal off the path for fire, smoke, and hot gases. The intumescent pads at top and bottom meet in the center to seal off the device prior to cable insertion. During cable installation, the foam pads retract to allow cables to pass through and then quickly rebound to seal against the grouped cable interface. EZPath cable transits may be attached to the division by means of welds, steel screws, or bolts. It is not necessary to continuously weld the plate to the division. A series of symmetrically disposed spot welds, screws, or bolts are sufficient to fix the device in place. Alternative plates are available for hardcore joiner panel construction. Once the transit has been properly secured in place, cables are pulled through the device and the transit is properly fire-stopped. No further action is required to establish a seal. Supplemental insulation may be required to achieve certain ratings, and the associated type approvals and installation instructions will provide these details where applicable. We hope that this information will assist surveyors in the proper inspection of EZPath cable transits. Please contact STI Marine's Technical Service Department at techserv@stimarine.com or 908-526-8000 for more information.